Hey there! Want to record your Mac screen like a pro? Whether you're making tutorials, capturing presentations, or recording gameplay, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you two easy ways to record your screen on Mac using built-in tools. No extra software needed. Let's get started. If you're using macOS Mojave or later, there's an even faster way. Just press Command plus Shift plus 5 on your keyboard. This brings up the Screenshot Toolbar. You'll see options to capture still images or record your screen. You can choose to record the entire screen or just a selected portion. There are also settings to add a timer or pick where the recording gets saved. When you're ready, click Record. To stop, just click the Stop button in the menu bar. Super quick, super easy. So now you know how to record your Mac screen like a pro using QuickTime Player and the Screenshot Toolbar. Whether you're doing a quick tutorial or a clean demo, these tools are simple, powerful, and built right into your Mac. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more useful Mac tips.